this Misfits t-shirt was a little bit jealous of this Metallica tank top. So let's make this into a tank top right now. Sometimes I actually use scissors instead of an axe.
What are you doing?
I'm cutting the sleeves off this shirt.
Am I?
No, Gabe. No.
It's just, he'll never wear it in the summer. It's got long sleeves.
It's.
All right, take it off.
Oh my
Let's do it.
gosh.
Ooh, it's got a skull on it. This was meant to be a tank top. It's out of the way.
Can I cut it?
I'll cut one and show you how to do it, and you can cut the other one. See this line right here?
Yeah.
You go right along this line.
Oh, Gabe.
Okay, see this line?
Mm-hmm.
Cut right along that line.
Wait, lift up. You're gonna cut my thing. Oh my god, you're seriously cutting this. Stop. Okay.
That's it. Yeah!
Oh my gosh.
All right, try it on. Oh man, I wish I had that one. We're both gonna be rocking skulls today though. Once I finish mine. All right, let's cut this one. My tank top's all done. Let's check in on Rikers. Looks like his tank top is doing just fine.